Hi everyone, I'm just going to walk you through SpeakerLinq and so what happens when you first log in. So welcome to SpeakerLinq. This platform has been built specifically for anyone out there who presents, shares knowledge in front of an audience. And the aim of this platform is to help you and your audience connect and just keep that conversation going, keep that momentum flowing. Now, how does it all work? Basically, you as a speaker or presenter would share a QR code, and that QR code would be shared at your presentation. Your audience would scan that, or you can give them a URL even, but they'd scan it and they would land on your talk page. Now in here in SpeakerLinq, you can create unlimited talk hubs or talk pages. And in those pages, you can provide resources that you might share. It might even be recordings of your session. And it could even be links to your services that you want to sell, booking with you to chat, whatever it is, you can share it on your talk page and embed your videos as well if you want to present something, an introduction to the event or something like that as well. But the main purpose, the number one goal here for SpeakerLinq, like I said, is to continue that conversation. So it's not just sharing your resources and everything after the event itself. It's actually also the opportunity for you to grab leads. So with your talk pages, you can request or you can select, to capture a lead before anyone enters your talk page, or you could have your talk page open to public if you share your link. And if anyone wants to download or grab any of your resources, that's when you capture leads. Or you could just leave it completely open and not offer any resources or anything like that. You could take registrations for events that are coming up as well. So continuing on from the Talk Hub, there is another element here in your Talk Hub where your audience can actually select your profile. So they can click and go through to your profile and check it out, as well as just sharing your URL to your profile. You can do that on your, your socials, LinkedIn, wherever it is. You can share this direct URL as well, so people can find you. So your bio could be here. You could embed a video on yourself, could be past talks, etc. you might be wanting to share, so you can put them in here, as well as share the topics and things that you talk about and testimonials. And if you do have talk hubs ready and active at the time, you can feature any of them down here as well. And this is just a small card here that just shows some of the main details, your speaking details, your experience, rates, etc. You don't have to fill them in. If you don't fill them in, they don't show, as well as your statistics and your speaker kit, which you could upload. And here is where people who might be interested in you can download it. And further up the top here, you'll see there is a booking form. Now, this is actually an inquiry form. So anyone who is interested in looking at booking you for an event, they could just fill in their details and so forth. All the information's here, and that will go into your account. You'll be able to see that information, and you are prompted via email as well. And if they do click the Get in Touch, their email system opens up and emails you at the email that you've set up here. Thank you so much for watching, and there'll be more videos coming where we walk you through inside SpeakerLinq.